Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying account binding and collecting identifiers. This is crucial because encrypted nicknames often stem from unlinked or guest accounts. Once done, update the app and backup progress to cloud so you avoid data loss. Next, record your UID and linked email. Make sure you know whether you use Activision, Facebook, Google, or a guest login. These facts determine the steps you can take next. Do not skip this or you'll waste time on ineffective fixes. Now you act. Clear cache or reinstall to force a fresh account token because encrypted tags sometimes persist due to cached auth data. If you're on a guest account, linked to Activision, Facebook, or Google, this often unlocks profile editing. Once linked, relog in and restart the app. Sometimes the name edit becomes available only after a full restart. If the in-game edit remains blocked, try changing via the Activision web profile. The server-side change can propagate to Codm. Finish by waiting a few minutes, then restart your device and check the in-game profile for the new nickname. Propagation delays are common. If it still shows encrypted, prepare a support packet. Include your UID, linked email, screenshots showing the issue, timestamps, and a short list of actions you tried. Then submit a ticket to Activision support. This is the key troubleshooting tip, because they can decrypt or reset server-side flags. Keep replies concise and follow any requested diagnostic steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.